How to integrate Zoom with HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your HubSpot marketplace. It's represented by this store icon right here. Click on this and click onto the search bar that you can see right there. Search right here for Zoom. Here's Zoom right there. Click on this. This is an app by HubSpot, so you don't need to worry about its legitimacy. So click on here, as you can see, it requires Zoom subscription. Click onto this install option. And once you do, this will open right here the sign in tab. So with this, you will be prompted to sign in into your Zoom account. So just wait for this to log in and you can just enter your credentials in order to successfully sign in. You can enter your email as well as your password or sign in with Google, Facebook, Microsoft, and the likes. Once you do, it will successfully connect these two apps together. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.